Hello, hi guys! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. This is Chin from Asagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong umaga na to, tingnan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides sa ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga gilap? So guys, this reading is a journal reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So umpisahan na natin for the sign of Aquarius. So sino na naman kaya ang ating masasagap? O kanino naman kayang kwento to ang ating mahagilap? So guys, kumapit-kapit kayo, ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages. Ano ang pinaka-mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? There's a devil card. My goodness. And of course, there's a Five of Wands. May gumagawa ng may lakas ng energy. May gumagawa ng conflict sa iyo. No, there's a Five of Wands for competitor or mga kalaban mo, or mga tao sa paligid mo na against sa'yo. And of course, the devil card. Kumbaga, there's a black magic involved, or there's an making of sabotage to you, no? Kumbaga, may gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa iba spirituality, or devil things, or devil energy. So, what is that? Angel Spirit Messages. Let's see, guys, ano pang message sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. There is a King of Pentacles, being practicality. At the same time, there's a Six of Cups. Okay, my God, there's a King of Pentacles. Kumbaga maging practical about sa finances, about sa Six of Cups. Kumbaga meron ditong kapitbahay or friend, no? Kumbaga, let's see. Or tingnan natin kung past person to, or kapitbahay, or kamag-anak, kaibigan, kapatid, ganon. And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. Kumbaga, okay, Knight of Swords, magiging mabilis daw ang eksena na to. That brings you into success by the Star card. Kumbaga, there's a fulfillment. What is the Devil and the Five of Wands? What is the Devil and the Five of Wands? Angel Spirit Guides. Okay. There is the Word card. There is a trouble, or there is an information na magdadala sa iyo na, okay, thank you, Angel Spirit. Meron daw dito trouble na hinaharang, ha? Some of you, kung gusto mo mga ibang bansa, hindi ka makaalis-alis kasi merong humaharang sa iyo, may humahadlang. There's a devil energy. Wait po, guys. So let's see, guys, what is additional messages. The word could represent of trouble, ha? Kumbaga itong trouble na to, hindi ka makaalis kasi mayroong taong umahad lang sa'yo. Okay, there's a Five of Wands by the Six of Pentacles. See, magtutuloy-tuloy yung finances sa'yo, kaso ginagawan ka nito ng orasyon para hindi, para magkaroon ka ng malas at parang ano siya, curse. Okay, inggitera tong tao na to. And of course, there's a white naman is divinity. Kumbaga, there's a white divinity, kumbaga, or divine, kumbaga, good energy siya, ha, by divine. And of course, so what is the Six of Cups? Okay, there's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition mo, you, ha, baka napanaginipan mo to. No, itong person na to, it's either kapatid mo, pinsan mo, kamag-anak mo, or ex mo, or kaibigan mo, or kapitbahay mo. Kung sino to na panaginipan mo, siya tong gumagawa sa'yo. What is the Knight of Swords? Okay, there's an High Priestess. There's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies. Meron talaga ditong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. The Star card represent the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging practical ka about sa finances. Kumbaga siguro nangutang sa'yo ng hiram to. Kaya, kumbaga, ginawan ka or naiinggit sa'yo. Or some of you, the Queen of Pentacles, maging practical ka daw, magdadala to sa'yo ng wish fulfillment. What is the Devil in the Word card? What is the Devil in the Word card? There's a King of Swords. Being intellectual, no? Kumbaga, maging matalino ka dito. And of course, putulin mo yung kaugnayan dito sa tao na to. And of course, there's an Ace of Swords. Okay, humaharang nga, ti. Humaharang daw dito, ha? About sa pag-alis mo. Or about dito sa pagpasok ng magandang kapalaran sa'yo. With the Ace of Cups, there's a new romance. See? Kumbaga naiinggit to sa'yo. And there's a new romantic cycle begins. Magsisimula na raw yung panibagong relasyon. Okay, kontra daw to sa relasyon mo. It's either hipag or family related or kumbaga hipag, manugang, ganon. Kumbaga it's either din na ganon. Kasi meron ditong gumagawa ng conflict or there's a toxicities. May toxic family dito. And of course, there's a Five of Pentacles. There's financial loss. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, magtipid-tipid or ayusin ang paggamit ng pera, no? Kung nabubuhay ka pa na walang ganon, wag ka munang bumili. Mag-ipon ka muna. What is the Six of Cups and the Four of Swords? What is the Six of Cups and the Four of Swords? There is a Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Gusto nitong mawala sa'yo, kung ano man ang meron ka. There's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. Sabi ni, it's either pamilya to, may family issue dito. Or kapitbahay. Or kamag-anak, ganon. There's a Knight of Wands. There's a final push. Pero malakas sense dito na parang, it's either na pamilya ng jowa mo or asawa mo. Or pamilya mo gumagawa sa, or kapitbahay mo. Yun ang lakas ng energy dito eh. What is the Devil? The Word card and the King of Swords. Okay. There is a Ten of Pentacles. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. Kapag to nakat mo tong blockages na to, nabasag mo tong gayuma or black magic or kulam na to, pag na to natanggal mo, magtutuloy-tuloy na to with a long-term success and long-term investment. Protectionan mo yung sarili mo. And of course, there's a Six of Swords, transition. Ngayon, makakaalis ka na. Hindi ka makaalis that because of maraming swords na nandiyan sa bangka mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka makalayag kasi, kumbaga, may tendency lumubog in case na parang umalis ka sa isang kinakatayuan mo, isang pwesto mo, no? What is the Queen of Pentacles? What is the Knight of Pentacles, the white namin, and of course, the Five of Pentacles? Okay, there is a Page of Pentacles, manifestation. May manifest mo naman daw to at the end of the time, no? Nagkakaroon ka lang ng temporary financial loss. What is the Six of Cups, the Four of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles? Okay. There is a Nine of Cups. There's an offer, proposal, email, messages. Ganon. May mensahe sa'yo ang ating mga gabay na magdadala sa'yo ng wish fulfillment. Okay, there is a Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords, the High Priestess, and of course, the Two of Cups. There's a Wheel of Fortune. See? Kumbaga, there's a divine timing. And of course, the Wheel of Fortune. Kumbaga, there's a bless. And of course, good luck for you. May maswerteng papasok sa'yo. No? May papasok na unexpected blessing sa'yo. And of course, bless in disguise. What is the Star card, the Queen of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands? Okay. There's the Moon. There's a truth reveal. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang mailalantad na sa'yo, no? Ang mga bagay-bagay, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a revelations. Kumbaga, pag nakuha mo yung opportunity na to, doon mo malalaman lahat kung sino yung mga may kagagawa ng eksena na yan, no? What is the outcome? And the Knight of Swords. Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka makapag-isip. Kumbaga, parang feeling mo lutang ka or some of you, natutulog ka bukas yung diwa mo. Pero hindi ka makatulog, mahirap ka makatulog sa gabi. And of course, there's the sun card. Kung kailan umaga, saka antok na antok ka. The sun card, there's a positivity. And of course, there's a good energy, the sun, the star, and the moon. So, ibig sabihin, naka-line up ang mangyayari sa buhay mo. With the 10 of Wands, na matatapos na lahat ng obligations, lahat ng mga struggles, lahat ng mga failure, tapos na yan, no? Kailangan mo lang mag-take ng action at matanggal lahat ng mga blockages at ma-release mo yung toxicities or toxic energy na nasa palibot mo. And of course, the 5 of Swords, kumbaga, there's a fair fight, no? May patas na laban dito. And of course, sinasabi dito with the Page of Cups, listen to your intuitions. Makinig ka raw sa intuition and gut feeling mo, no? So, what is the Love Oracle card? So, what is the Love Oracle card? Angel Spirit Messages. Okay. Karmic relationship. So, there's a lesson from the relationship. Kumbaga, kung kayo ay may relasyon, kumbaga, bakit pinagdadaanan nyo lahat ng mga problema? Kasi nasa karmic relationship kayo. It's either magkakaroon kayo ng separation o hiwalayan for a long time or magkakabalikan kayo. Tapos at the same time, kumbaga, meron talaga humadlang sa relasyon nyo. Kaya pala nagkaroon ng reconciliation with the 6 of Cups. Kumbaga, may bumalik na ex, tapos tutol yung pamilya mo, at tutol yung pamilya niya, or either, gano'n. Kumbaga, there's, kumbaga, meron ditong conflict, no? Pero, there's information na sinasabi sa'yo, dun susubukin ng relationship nyo, kung malalagpasan nyo yung struggles na about sa karmic relationship, no? And of course, the dragonfly, there's an heal and change, no? Kumbaga, malalantad na lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Revelasyon, lahat ng mga kasinungalingan, ganun. And of course, there's sudden change and lightning. Kumbaga, shocking news, kumbaga biglaan mo tong malalaman, biglaan mo tong mapagtatanto na, ikaw pala ang gumagawa, no? Kaya pala ganito, ganyan, kaya pala ang daming struggle sa relationship namin, that because of ikaw yung gumagawa, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng enlightenment dito at the end, and of course, transformation pagdating sa inyong relationship. So, let's see, what is the Moonology? What is the Moonology, Angel Spirit Guides? Don't let past you hold you back. No, wag mo na raw balik-balikan yung nakaraan. Kailangan mong pagdesisyonan at kailangan mong mag-take ng action, and nothing is yet set in stone, hindi pa napapanahon, at walang mangyayari kung hindi ka mag-take ng action. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? Okay, there's a humor, no? Just, kumbaga piliin mo pa rin mag-focus, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, tignan mo yung lighter side, no? Ng mga bagay-bagay kung ano nangyayari sa paligid mo. Kumbaga, tignan mo yung mga magagandang kahihinatnan. Huwag ka tumingin sa mga negatibo. Para makahata ka ng mga good energy. What is, Romance Angels? Romance feeling. Romantic feeling. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Pagdating daw sa relasyon, talagang totoo rin yung nararamdaman mo. And of course, there's codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. So, nagkakaroon ng dito, parang yung pagnanasa or kumbaga, yung sobrang pagmamahal, no? Abusive, gano'n, at the same time, nakaka-apekto raw yan sa relasyon, no? Kumbaga, yung pagsobra talaga nakakasama. So, what is additional messages? Okay. Orange, there's a change. So, there's a powerful changes coming into your life, and there's a snake. Sabi ko na may ahas no? May ahas talaga. No? May ahas na gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. So, what is the chakra? So, what is the chakra, Angel Spirit Messages? There's an enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng inner clarity dito, T. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. Lahat ng kasagutan, malalaman mo. No? Kung sino, kung bakit, ganito, ganyan. And because there's a release. See, I told you, kailangan mo maalis at kailangan mo mabasag ang kulam, kailangan mo mabasag ang sumpa, kailangan mo mabasag ang gayuma, kailangan mo mabasag ang mga negative energy at ang mga blockages sa'yo. So, what is additional messages? There's a nutrition. Some of you, kailangan nyo rin ng mga masusustansyang pagkain. And of course, time to decide. No, kailangan mo magdesisyon. Kailangan heart through desires. Yung talagang nanggagaling sa puso mo. And of course, third chakra Archangel Chamuel about sa sikmura. Kaya nagkakaroon dito minsan sinisikmura ka. That because mataas ang acid mo. And kailangan mo ng fruits and vegetable para mas mataas ang fiber mo sa katawan. Para malalabanan yung acid mo. So what is additional messages? And of course, Magician and the Mirror. The reflection, no? Kumbaga, kung ano man yung ginawa sa'yo, magre-reflect lang din sa kanila yan. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo lang proteksyonan yung sarili mo, no? And of course, kailangan mo lang pangalagaan yung sarili mo. What is Archangel Michael? Be gentle with yourself. See? Huwag mo masyadong inaabuso yung sarili mo. Huwag mo masyadong sinasaktan yung sarili mo. Huwag mo masyadong pinipilit yung sarili mo sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, innocence. May mga bagay na hindi ka pa alam ngayon. At the same time, the personal you're asking is about trustworthy. Yung taong kinakausap mo, mapagkakatiwalaan mo daw yan. No? Even your partner. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Blessed are they the hear of the word of God and keep it. Yung mga binibless daw yung mga taong naniniwala sa salita ng Diyos, no? Yung naniniwala sa mga bagay-bagay na kumbaga nanggaling sa kanyang salita. What is angel's number? There's a 17, I am independent. So let's see. The quality of work you can produce then when you are going at it alone, it's almost unbelievable. You are independent as you are ambitious, capable for performing every step of the way with efficiency, focus, and skills. So, ibig sabihin dito, yung mga ginagawa mo, no? Kaya mo tumayo sa sarili mong paa. Lahat ng mga bagay-bagay, kumbaga, kaya mo manindigan, kaya mo mag-desisyon sa sarili mo. So, what is the messages of life? So, what is the messages of life? Angel Spirit Guides, there's a growing. So, today, I understand I am here to learn, to discover and grow. When I nourish myself with my inner light, my inner divinity grows. When I study the message that life brings me, I am improved in the eyes of God. When I strike a balance between material and spiritual world, I am freed of inner conflict. In this way, I grow my own soul. Nagkaroon din kayo minsan ng medical problem. So, nagpa-check up kayo. So, walang result. So, it means there's a spirituality. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng parang awareness and consciousness dito na there's a spiritual and material in this world. No? Kumbaga, minsan, nagagamot ng ganito, minsan hindi. Kumbaga, kailangan mo talaga ng balance, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na marami ka natutunan at marami ka na-discover sa buhay mo. So, this is your weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 from the sign of Aquarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, sa mga naka-relate, maraming salamat. Comment down below. Kung hindi pa po nakaka-relate sa ating reading, please comment down below your full name, birthday, and of your location, kung asan man kayo ngayon, para at least sa susunod na mga reading natin, baka buhay mo na or sitwasyon mo na ang masagap natin and magbigyan kayo ng advices ng ating angel spirit. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!